Hello, and thank you for joining us for this webinar about the Impact Invest investment platform, the crowdfunding platform with a different approach. We believe in the values of caring for the planet, caring about society, and of course, caring for the health and well-being of others. So we only raise funds for ethical organisations whose purpose and activities improve and make a positive impact on the world around us. But they also have to be commercially focused with a strong product or service, a credible business plan, robust financial forecasts, and of course, a management team capable of delivering. Impact investing is about making a positive and beneficial difference using capital to develop, stimulate, and promote products or services that make our world a better place. It's about investing into organisations whose very existence and commercial activities are focused on delivering positive changes, either to the environment or, of course, to society. On the Impact Invest platform, we will have between 10 to 20 impact investments at any one time, consisting of both debt and equity opportunities. So, why impact investment? Governments and consumers around the world recognise the need for change. Companies and organisations that embrace these changes and incorporate sustainability and social governance into the heart of their activities are sure to become the leaders of tomorrow. Companies at the forefront of change, they're poised to benefit as the world wakes up to the challenges ahead. On the Impact Invest platform, we promote investments in fields such as clean energy, recycling, pollution control, social care, health and well-being, and much, much more. And with our platform partners, we offer impact accreditation to protect investors against the threat of greenwashing.
The Impact Invest platform is hosted by Delio Wealth, who are regulated in the UK by the FCA. Delio undertake the regulated activities on the platform of arranging deals in investments and making the arrangements to transact the deals in the investments too. Investors can apply to join the platform or be invited onto it, and the registration process is clear, straightforward, and very user-friendly. So, who are the investors? Well, our platform is only for people who are classed as high net worth, sophisticated, or professional investors. The rigorous onboarding process identifies the correct client category, and then it brings forward a number of compliance forms, including sustainability questionnaires, terms of service, privacy notice, risk warnings, and much more too, all of which the potential investor has to complete before they can access the site. In addition to the compliance regime, we also have an investment preferences questionnaire designed to help the investor focus on the goals and the outcomes that they are looking for. This could be entirely financial, entirely sustainable, or more than likely, it'll be a combination of the two of them. One of the most common responses on this questionnaire that I think sums up the platform's purpose pretty well is that I try to strike the right balance between financial returns and the impact that my investments are delivering. Perhaps this is something we should all consider a little bit more. Once registered, the homepage is the heart of the investor experience. It's bright and clear, it shows large thumbnails of all the investment opportunities that are on the platform, that are available for investments at that particular time, as well as news and links to interesting articles pertinent to those investment opportunities. So if you click onto an investment, it brings up the landing page for that particular product, as well as links to all the documents that an investor might be interested in seeing, such as videos, images, team pages, marketing materials, newsletters, and much more too. However, you might also notice that the display shows the symbols for the corresponding United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These are the ones that that particular investment is working hard to try to address. So you've heard about the SDGs, right? The Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by the year 2030.
Okay, so by now you should have a good understanding of the platform from the perspective of an investor. You can see that the platform shows all of an investor's holdings on one screen, which makes reporting really simple. And investments can also be held and reported on in a range of currencies too. A point to note though, the entry level for an investor on the platform is £20,000 or equivalent. And what that means is the minimum you can invest is 20,000. So if you see 4 projects that you particularly like, then the individual investment for each project is 5,000. Although, of course, we wouldn't turn any investor away, and as you can see on the screen here, like this one with nearly €10 million. But on the whole, we expect the vast majority of the investors to be more modest, and for the most investors to only allocate a portion of their investable assets towards impact investing. So there you have it. Hopefully, you know how to use the platform. You've got a clear idea of how it works. You can see on the screen here contact details for Jeremy and Todd. If you've got any questions at all, give us a shout.